Meaning of glory.
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 Glory. Glory is the state of great honor, admiration or distinction achieved through notable achievements or qualities. It can also refer to the magnificence or beauty of something. Success in any field is often associated with glory. The pursuit of glory has been a driving force for individuals and nations throughout history. Glory is both a personal and collective concept, and its attainment can bring great satisfaction and fulfillment. However, it can also lead to hubris and a fall from grace. Ultimately, glory is a reflection of our values and aspirations as a society.